For years, scientists believed space was completely silent. No air, no sound waves, nothing. But in 2022, NASA made a shocking discovery. Using special technology, they captured real sound from a black hole. The result? A deep, haunting noise, like something out of a horror movie. Listen closely. How is this possible? Black holes send out pressure waves, which ripple through gas clouds in space, and NASA translated them into sound. But if space isn't silent, what else is out there? Do follow and subscribe for insights and give your valuable feedback or comments.